Writing an eBay title shouldn't mean staring at a blank field and trying to think of every keyword yourself. From your product photos, Zetlis generates 3 different title options. Choose any one you like, edit it manually, or switch to another option at any time. Below the editable title, you'll see suggested keywords. Dark blue keywords with a check mark are already included. Click any available keyword to add it, or click an active one to remove it. The title updates instantly, and the live counter helps you stay within eBay's 80-character limit. You get several starting points while keeping control of every word. Review your listing, make any final changes, and publish directly to eBay with Zetlis. Zetlis, get your time back.